Cold stat. Huh. That's weird. What's this thing doing out here? Well, boys and girls, it's a sad day today. Today we say goodbye to the 10-horse Yanmar. It was a good little cart engine, and in other circumstances I probably would have kept it. But, well, you'll see in a second why we're getting rid of it. And that is why we got rid of the single-cylinder Yanmar to get a two-cylinder Yanmar. So this is a Thermo King TK270 VFM, which in Yanmar speak is a 2TNV70. So it's a 570cc two-cylinder liquid-cooled, rated for like 13.7 horsepower. This one came out of a trailer truck, so it's got a whole unit set up with an alternator and an AC compressor, because this would have powered like the living quarters of a tractor trailer, like if it was parked or something and the main engine wasn't running. So it's pretty cool. It's got isolation mounts, it's got a lift pump, it's got a big old fuel filter on it, and complete exhaust setup and all that stuff. It runs, and tonight Kyle and I got started identifying different parts of the wiring harness so we know what's what when we go to test it. So that's the new engine for the cart, and should be quieter, torquier, and just kind of better than the single cylinder. Don't worry, everything is fine. Two-cylinder golf cart diesel Yanmar attempt start number 1. My dad's booger tool would be useful right here. These fuckers are tight.
Injectors.
Oh yeah, injectors.
No.
What?
Let's just try it.
Okay.
I don't know why it's not filling up anymore.
There's not a ton of fuel there. You want to crank into that?
Sure. Yeah, you can hang on. I just don't want to.
Would you know about voltage drop?
Yeah.
More juice. It almost looks like it's like when you turn the pump on, the level goes down. It looks like it's like pushing or something.
It wasn't.
I don't know. Failed. Cause of death, not enough juice. This is attempt number 2, this time with the battery out of the first gen, which always works.
No, it sounds better.
It always works. It usually always works.
Hey, if it looks stupid but it works, is it really stupid?
Okay, let her rip. I'm nervous.
Yeah, me too. This thing's gonna fucking run.
In the event, just so you know, the throttle's right here.
I was just gonna rip the battery cable off of it.
Oh, true.
Unless she hits run away. Run away. Fuel pump's really gonna fucking leak.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a fucking face full of exhaust. Ready?
Yep.